Tu a fatto dentro, per forza, se no tu potevi ritornare.
Ma che? Guarda peschero, ma tu sei sciamonino, ma tu sei rincoglionito.
Look at this factory flaw. This wire, this lead here is superfluous. At the factory, it was connecting the intersection of these series reservoir caps and connecting it to the screen supplies anode. When they realized what they had done, they just clipped it. Very interesting. All right, Casey, what's up, buddy? This is your Bassman 100 getting biased. We have them very well balanced from side to side. I may put in an adjustable bias there to go with that little blend circuit. But as it stands, using the stock, we're at a 15K bias range resistor. We're getting about 26 milliamps of current at around, say it's 460 plate volts. And that's cold. We want to get around 40 milliamps on these pups to bring them into 60% range. So let's see what that's going to take. I have this little decade box here, which is going to roll through a few values without us having to physically swap in resistors. Let's see if we take that 10K of resistance and change it to, that 15K, change it to 13K. Well, that gets us closer. 13K to 10K. A little warm. 10K to 12K. Puts us right in the sweet spot. So I'll whip up a little string of 12K resistors and we will get her underway. We went adjustable. Beautiful little PEC pot. I was stating that 12K of resistance would be ideal, but you know what? You're going to change your tubes at some point and need to adjust it, so let's... Other direction. Get her down to, whoop, overshot. I just calibrated this, so this is extremely accurate. There we go. All right, we got a 1 milliamp wiggle. Extremely happy. Extremely happy. Go ahead and recap and then readjust. And get those screen grid and grid resistors knocked out along with the rest of the electrolytics and de-waxing of the board. The pots are noisy. Sounds like we have a little bit of a microphonic pot. Yeah, both of these guys are microphonic. But yeah, we'll get in there. Get in there and knock it out. Awesome.